Dreams for Change was created to use research-based innovations to address social needs around homelessness and poverty. When evaluating programs and services for those who are homeless or one step away from homelessness, we saw a system that didn't adequately meet their growing needs, had low rates of success, and high cost. We knew we could make a difference in reducing homelessness through more innovative and cost-effective programming. Our objective is to reduce the number of people that are homeless. Specifically, we intend to reduce the need for shelters and decrease the number of homeless people living in their vehicles. Our Safe Parking program provides services to move individuals towards housing stabilization. We also aim to provide workforce development opportunities leading to sustainable jobs. We can accomplish this through expansion of the employment component of our Eat Better Today program. Our leverage points have been our ability to implement new innovative programming with measurable outcomes by integrating a multitude of services in cost-efficient ways. Our Safe Parking program uses parking lots with minimum rent and works with individuals to bypass expensive shelter programs. For instance, the Downtown Homeless Winter Shelter costs San Diego approximately $100,000 a month to provide 250 beds. That comes to $400 a month per bed with very limited additional services provided. Our program provides space and services for $53 a month per family. Our organization is effective because we're able to provide high-quality services right where the clients are, with minimum overhead cost. We integrate the use of technology to teach our clients how to improve their lifestyles while reducing the use of resources such as gas for their vehicles. We strive to maintain documents and information electronically versus paper. For service provisions, our staff is equipped with laptops and scanners to assist with our paperless process. We work directly with other service providers to provide client applications and documents electronically instead of making copies. We know Safe Parking is successful by the number of participants who enter back into housing or long-term transitional programs, maintain housing, attain employment, receive increased income from benefits, enter into educational programs, and complete financial counseling. For instance, a participant had a lien on their earnings for tax liabilities, resulting in their inability to maintain housing. We were able to assist the participant in reducing their tax liability from $25,000 to less than $5,000. For the Eat Better Today program, our metrics of success include employment and the number of participants that complete workforce training. We're working to increase meal provisions to where the homeless have access to 2 healthy meals each day. A common misconception about Dreams for Change is that we're a large agency. In reality, we have a small staff with everyone focused exclusively on programming. We're able to have a large impact because we are efficient with our financial resources and because we collaborate with area nonprofits, churches, and government partners. Dreams for Change has had several major accomplishments. Our Safe Parking and the Eat Better Today programs are the first of their kind in the nation. Both programs were awarded top prizes in the University of San Diego Social Innovation Challenge. Through our services, we've been able to help 76% of our Safe Parking participants obtain housing or join long-term transitional programs. Being innovative brings its own challenges. We've had difficulty with local officials who didn't fully understand how our programming fit into their regulations. We were told we couldn't do something because it hadn't been done before. Our response? Why not? We set out not just to show that it could be done, but that it could make a difference in people's lives. The nature of our approach to helping the homeless presents another challenge as some funders tend to shy away from innovation. Additional resources for our agency will allow us to strengthen our Eat Better Today program by training more individuals in employment development and implementing a small business development program with microlending and specialized savings. There's a need for more resources to help provide workforce supports such as transportation, new work clothes, and IDs. Additional resources would allow us to replicate our safe parking to more regions within Southern California. We would also be able to provide microloans for things like deposits, household items, and building credit. While our current programs are fulfilling specific gaps in homeless services, ending homelessness in San Diego will require more innovative programming. Homeless people continue to have high needs when it comes to resources and accessing support that leads to employment. Our next step could be to bring our service model and workforce development concepts to organizations that work directly with the chronically homeless.